Hello students of KNPG and Hans Vining classes Gyanpur. Today we will solve differential equation of which type? Reducible to linear differential equation. So this is my Krishna publication book exercise 6 question number 2. Solve bracket dy by dx bracket close plus curly bracket y upon x minus 1 curly bracket close equal to x into y power 1 by 3. Now in the right hand side we have presence of y with power 1 by 3. So definitely this will strike us that this is reducible to linear differential equation. In this case we will divide the given differential equation throughout by y power 1 by 3. So this will become 1 upon y power 1 by 3, that is y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx plus 1 upon x minus 1 into, now y upon y power 1 by 3 will become y power 2 by 3, and this y power 1 by 3 will get cancelled, we are left with x. Now here we will put y power 2 by 3 as b, because second step to solve such a differential equation, first we divide throughout by y power of y in the right hand side, and then we substitute whatever function in y we get here with v. Now differentiating with respect to x, we will get, this is apply power rule of derivative 2 by 3 y power 2 by 3 minus 1, then into dy by dx chain rule is equal to dv by dx. From here we will get substitution for this, so that above differential equation, that is star, becomes linear differential equation dv by dx plus 2 by 3 d upon x minus 1 equal to 2 by 3. This is linear differential equation in Bnx. So in order to find its solution, we have to find its integrating factor. Integrating factor will be e to the power integral px dx. What is px? 2 by 3 1 upon x minus 1 dx. 2 by 3 constant can be taken outside. Integral 1 upon x minus 1 is log x minus 1. Apply power rule of logarithm. 2 by 3 will come here. Then apply exponential and logarithm rule. They are anti in nature. So finally we will get x minus 1 power 2 by 3. This is the reason. So the solution is given by v into integrating factor is equal to integral qx into integrating factor dx plus c. What is integrating factor? My 2 by 3x. Put its value. Now evaluate right side integral by substitution method. Put x minus 1 t so that x equal to 1 plus t, dx equal to dt. Now this integral becomes power integral. Evaluate each power integral. Then substitute back t as x minus 1, and here you put v as y power 2 by 3. Also, or you can do, you apply here by parts rule. So first function into derivative of integral of second function minus integral derivative of first function, derivative of x will give you 1. So here it is 1 into integral of second function will give you x minus 1 power 5 by 3 by 5 by 3. Power rule of integral. Again apply integral here, power rule of integral and power rule of integral. Simplify. Finally you will get, this is the right hand side, remember, right hand side. Left hand side will remain as it is here. So I hope you have understood this differential equation, solution of this differential equation. Thank you for watching.